Hey, Drew.
You all finished up?
Yep. Let's head home for the night. Nothing like late nights in the office.
Yeah, nothing like them. Really can't imagine doing anything better with my time.
It's all about attitude. It ain't so bad. It's better than being at home with a screaming kid anyway.
Well, I'd take a screaming kid to a screaming boss any day. I mean, my God. That guy's nothing better to do with his life, does he?
No. He makes more in a month than we do in a year, and all he does is sit in his office and play World of Warcraft and look up nudies of Betty White.
No, he doesn't.
The nude photos?
Yeah.
Yeah, he does. But why do you think he never lets anyone in there? Why do you think he never leaves?
Hey, Dan.
What the hell? No! I don't want you here! Get out! Get out, please! Get out! It's okay. I'm here. And the mean ladies are gone. It's okay.
That's disgusting.
No, it's not. Besides, I heard you were his cute little scribe today.
Yeah, just stare at the computer screen all day and read the messages he was sending to his mother. Apparently that is business related.
I'm sorry.
It's fine. Once I staple this little sucker here, I can go home. It's only been like, what, 15 hours? You know, for water probably taken from the bathroom sink, it's surprisingly nice.
Are those cookies edible?
Which ones?
Those ones next to the oatmeal raisin that Bob brought in. The peanut butter ones. I think they're peanut butter. It looks scary.
You could try one.
Why don't you, Betty White hater?
Because I have a little bit of sanity left. You?
No. Fine.
Juanitas, if I were you. Hi, Drew.
Hey, Katie. Holding up?
Barely.
So, how'd you know about the cookies?
I baked them.
I would explain it.
Alright, where's the money?
What?
The money in my outstretched hand now?
Steve, we didn't make any bets.
You didn't? Why do you eat those crappy cookies? No offense, Kate.
None taken.
I have no idea.
Screw you!
I'd rather not, Steve. I have to finish up these papers so I can escape here. But thank you for the entertainment anyway.
Oh, ha ha!
Hell,
What is it?
we're out of staples.
You've got to be kidding me. That's the only stapler here.
I know. And some D-bag used the last one and forgot to refill it.
Well, do we have any extra staples?
Check the supply closet.
Okay.
What is it?
We're out of staples.
Well, that's just great. If I don't staple my work, I can't leave.
I need to staple the first draft of my memoirs. It's important.
Well, now what are we gonna do?
Well, I don't know. Did you check over there?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I checked over there. Who could have taken the last staple? Steve? What do you got there, Steve?
Water.
No. Your arm, Steve.
Oh, that's a birthmark.
No. Under your arm.
Nothing.
That's a lie, it's a lie. You're a butt crack, Steve.
Wait, what?
What are those papers?
Things that don't need to be stapled? Charts?
Of?
Special things.
What kind of special things?
Very special things.
Care to share them with us?
I can't.
Well, why not?
They're so special, the awesomeness exposure would make your heads explode.
Very well. Prove it. Make Katie's head explode.
Yeah, make my head explode, Steve.
I can't.
Well, why not?
I love you.
Fine then. Make his head explode.
What?
He's just a janitor. Make his head explode.
Wait, what's happening in my head?
He's gonna make it explode.
Oh. Okay.
Drew's being ridiculous. He's not gonna make your head explode.
That's good.
I told you he was lying. You're an armpit, Steve.
Wait, what?
Just give us the freaking papers. Oh my god.
What? Are those cookie recipes? Because I could really use those.
No. Much less scandalous. Look.
Whoa. Those are not cookie recipes.
Oh, why am I looking at these?
Would you like to tell the jury what you have in your hands?
They're nude pictures of Betty White.
What do you have to say for yourself, you nostril?
Wait, what?
Why, Steve? Just why?
I stole them from the boss! Like Betty White.
You, nincompoop.
It's Joe.
Whatever. What do you see at the top corner of this paper that looks like metal?
It's a staple.
What was that?
It's a staple.
Say it again.
It's a staple.
It's a staple.
Joe.
It's a staple.
Drew.
It is a staple. You used the last staple, Drew.
You don't understand.
What the hell, Steve? We all want to go home. Why'd you use last staple?
I didn't know his last staple. Jeez, what's with the hostility?
Hostility. That's a pretty good idea.
Very good. Get him!
Got him?
Sure do.
It's a staple. It's a freaking staple.
One that you were going to replace.
Why?
Because I'll kill you. We all want to go home, Steve. Don't be such a foot fungus.
Wait, what?
Office Depot is down the street. Why don't you go get us some?
But I used the last of my pocket change. I really wanted to use the claw machine at Red Robin. Look, his name is Pablo.
Screw Pablo!
You're going to buy us new staples, Steve.
Or what? What more could you do to me?
I could do this.
Oh, no, 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 no!
You know you want it.
Don't kill me! No!
Do it! Let's watch this moron squirm at the means of my cookie.
No! No! No!
You're gonna do what we say, or say goodbye to regular bowel movements.
No! No! I have staples! I have staples!
What?
What? I had them the whole time. I realized there was no more and decided to get replacements. I went and got them from the supply closet before you got here, Drew. Never got the chance to fill the stupid thing because you decided to bore me with your dumb questions.
Ouch.
Well, why did you just tell us?
Because you're all a bunch of earlobes!
Wait, what?
Jerks! I should have won that bet with that cookie. Happy muchacho?
Thank you, Steve.
Oh! What? Oh.
Huh. Out of Staples.
Well, guess I'll just staple my memoirs tomorrow then.
Good night, then.
Night.
Good morning.
Oh my God! I've been looking for you everywhere.